Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I will show you what's inside my handbag. So let's get started. So this is my handbag, guest handbag. My friend has gifted me on my birthday, and it is very special handbag. I really love the color and I really love the style of the bag. I just can't get over with it that I have this pretty bag with me. Right now I am obsessed with this handbag. I really love this. I take this everywhere I go outside. It comes with a long sling and it's also available on Myntra. You can buy it over there, and it's just super cute bag. Just look at this, super cute. So चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. मैं इस स्टूल को इधर खिसका देती हूँ ताकि आपको बहुत अच्छे से पता चले कि मेरे बैग में क्या क्या है. तो ये रहा मेरा गेस्ट का हैंड बैग. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. तो पहले कंपार्टमेंट में हमारा है चॉकलेट. आई लव चॉकलेट एंड दिस इज़ अमूल डार्क चॉकलेट. आई जस्ट लव दैट. Second, I have pen, important. Third, I have a facial wipe. So this is from Himalaya. I love the Johnson's one. I prefer the Johnson's one more. So the third thing is perfume. This is my favorite Body Cupid body mist vanilla. I have already tried this before, that's why I have bought the new one. So this is the empty bottle that I've used because I love that's why I've replaced and refilled it. Perfume. Then we have a wallet. This wallet is from Meesho. The link of this wallet is in the description box below. And it's a really cool wallet. It have compartments for cards, for cash, and the two very important compartments where you can put your documents, important documents. So it's under 200 rupees, I think so. It's from Meesho. एंड मैंने अभी कहीं पढ़ा है कि रेड वॉलेट होना चाहिए, तो मैं सोच रही हूँ कि इसको रिप्लेस करूँ रेड वॉलेट से. बट रेड वॉलेट तभी लेना चाहिए जब आपको कोई गिफ्ट करे. So I'm hoping for my red wallet. Then I have most important, all girl loves, lip balm. I have a Nykaa Lip Crush lip balm, and I've used it many times because of my dry skin. So my lips are also dry. And these two are from Sugar. It's coconut and
12 seconds later.
And coffee. I love coconut and coffee. So the main compartment is empty, and this is a pouch which I have my pads in it. So मैं सब लड़कियों को बताना चाहती हूँ, हमेशा एक से ज़्यादा पैड रखिए अपने पास, ताकि आपको नहीं कभी किसी और को, आपके दोस्त को कभी ज़रूरत पड़ती तो हमेशा एक से ज़्यादा पैड्स. और हमेशा अपने पैड्स को ऐसे पाउच में रखिए क्योंकि यू हैव टू पुट योर पैड्स प्रिटी. सो आई पुट माई पैड्स प्रिटी. यू नो, यू हैव टू बी प्रिटियर इन एवरीथिंग. तो देयर इज़ अ पाउच फ्रॉम मिनीसो I love. So let's dig in what's inside this. So first I have Lakme Sunscreen that I love. So I have read that after above SPF 30 they work all same, so why do we waste money? But it's important when you go out. Sunscreens are very important. Then I have hair ties. Essential, important, very important. Then a clutch, a small clutch. Clutches are very important, you know, for girls. Then I have a mascara from Maybelline. Then I have a hand cream, actually 2 hand creams. So I am a dry skin type and my hands are always dry, so these hand creams are very good. One is from Caffeine and the second one is from Plum Body Lovin'. Really, I can't live without hand creams, I can't. Then it's kajal. This sugar kajal is not available in Nykaa right now. I'm very disheartened, but I will make sure I will get this one, and it comes with a sharpener. Then I have a crayon lip color which is from Nykaa, and it comes with a sharpener, a cute sharpener. Then I have 2 lipsticks which I can carry with me anywhere, Sugar and Lakme. So the Nykaa lipstick shade is Chai 18 and the Sugar one is 17 Fairy Berry. The price and the links are in the description box below. Do check that out. And that's it. My pouch is empty right now. Then I have another chocolate that I love. So that was all inside my handbag. It's empty right now, so I was very happy to share with you all of this. And please subscribe to my channel, like, share, comments. I love you guys, and please give me love and support, and I will be bringing you all new videos on other beauty products. So bye guys, I will see you in the next one.